Ay, 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 ay. Ay, 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 ay. Ay, 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 ay. Yeah. Here, you sit back up. Come on, sit back up.
You're my friend.
You got a little boogie on your nose.
What?
You okay?
Hug me. Yellow foot. Ear.
Why are you eating the ear? Why are you gonna eat his ear? You wanna eat his ear? Hmm?
Hug me. It's a great big colorful world out there. Everything's got a color that it can wear. You see red and orange and green and blue. There's yellow, pink and purple too. You find different shades wherever you go. In this colorful world I know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Join with me and count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
1, 2, 10.
A, B, C, D. Hand. Green hand.
Don't eat his ear. He said don't eat his ear.
You're my friend.
Are you okay?